My name is Matthijs Peter and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you on my recent purchase of this mechanical keyboard, so Royal Clutch keyboard. So why actually I made this purchase? I'm using TrueScreen on my workflow, and I think having an external keyboard like this will eventually improve my productivity when I am working from home. To be honest, I am actually looking quite some time on a Bluetooth keyboard in the market. The reason being is previously I have external keyboard as well, and this external keyboard is using a dongle like this. So this dongle is sometimes I lost it and I need to buy another dongle and also another new keyboard, set of keyboard. But with a Bluetooth keyboard like this, I do not need to worry about that, but only need to worry to charge it only. Most of the enthusiasts mention that it helps to improve your words per minute and also to use it for gaming purpose. But for my case, I'm using it for my work. So where you can buy this, I'm using Shopee to bought this mechanical keyboard, and I will share with you the Shopee link in the description below. And this model is called Royal Clutch RK987. It's a white version and it's a red switch. So, and it costs roughly about 188 ringgit, or in US dollar is 45 US dollars. How do you use this keyboard? Basically, this keyboard is a 3-mode keyboard. You can use a direct USB connection, or you can use a dongle just like this, which I always lose this dongle. You can also use a Bluetooth mode, and this keyboard is quite special. It's like a MacBook keyboard with a backlit where you can type at night. And this keyboard is battery charged. It's a built-in battery, so you don't need to worry about buying battery AAA or AA for this kind of keyboard. And you can actually use this keyboard to switch between your multiple devices. I have 2 workstations. One is for my personal use and another one is a working laptop. So I can switch between laptop A to laptop B. If you find this video useful, please share it with your friends, and I hope to see you in the next video.